Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is the Greek dish Moussaka. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Okay, first we prepare the peeled potatoes. Using a sharp knife, cut the potatoes into slices about 1/4 inch thick. Then place them in a pan of boiling water for 3 or 4 minutes to parboil. You're not looking to cook them all the way through, just parboil them. Next we prepare the aubergines. Take a sharp knife and cut into 1/4 inch strips, same as you did with the potatoes. Then brush each piece with olive oil on both sides. Then it's off to a preheated griddle pan to give each piece a nice bit of colour on both sides. When this is done, preserve with the potatoes. Next it's time to prepare the white sauce. Simply melt the butter in a suitably sized saucepan, add the flour and mix in to create a roux and cook off for about 30 seconds. Then add the milk splash at a time until the right consistency is achieved. Next you add salt and pepper to taste and a good grating of nutmeg and mix in well. When this is done, turn the heat off under the white sauce, add the parmesan cheese and mix in well, and lastly add the well beaten egg and again mix through thoroughly, and then reserve. Next is the turn of the lamb. To do this, heat the olive oil up in a suitably sized pan. When it's up at temperature, add the onions and fry off for 3 or 4 minutes. When this is done, it's time to add the garlic and continue to fry off for a further 2 or 3 minutes. Next we add the lamb mince and thoroughly mix through the onion mixture and continue to fry off for at least 5 or 6 minutes, or until the lamb starts to take on some colour. Then it's time to add salt and pepper to taste, the dried oregano, the ground cinnamon, the bay leaf and a glass of good red wine. When it comes to adding wine to a dish, never forget the golden rule. The more you put in, the less you got to drink later. Anyway, continue to cook off for 3 or 4 minutes until all the flavours are amalgamated. Then it's time to add in the tin of tomatoes. At this point my wife puts 1/4 teaspoon of brown sugar into the mix. I did ask her why, but I just got one of her looks, so don't forget the sugar. Anyway, continue to cook the mixture until most of the liquid is evaporated, as you see here. Then it's time to assemble the dish. To assemble this dish, the first thing we do is add 1/3 of the white sauce to the mince mixture and mix through. This helps to firm it up in the oven when it's cooking. To assemble this dish in a suitably sized oven-proof dish, put a layer of potatoes in the bottom, followed by a layer of aubergines. Top this with a layer of the lamb mince. Then simply repeat the layers. When the last layer has been put down, it's time to add in the white sauce. Simply liberally spread over the top of the lamb mince. It's off to a preheated 180°C oven for 40 minutes, and we think it's best to leave it rest for 20 minutes before serving. There you have it, one moussaka. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Hopefully we'll see you soon on another one. Bye for now.